Ano-ano nga daw ba yung tools na ginagamit ng isang VA? Sagutin natin. Hello guys, good day. I am Ma'am Johnny. I inspire moms to thrive freelancing, grow their business, and balance life with a purpose. So ano nga daw ba yung mga tools na ginagamit ng isang freelancer? Mga tools po na ginagamit namin, meron po tayong tatlong category. I-discuss natin isa-isa. Una sa mga categories na yan is yung communication and collaboration tools. So these tools help you to talk, communicate, share updates, and work with your clients remotely. So, ang halimbawa ng mga tools na to is Gmail, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. Next category naman is organization and productivity tools. So, these tools naman will help you to manage your time, tasks, and responsibilities efficiently para ma-meet mo yung deadline and makapag-deliver ka pa rin ng high-quality results sa client mo. So, ang halimbawa ng mga tools under this category is Trello, Notion, ClickUp, Asana, Google Workspace, time trackers like Clockify, and Time Doctor. The last category na i-discuss ko sa inyo ng mga tools is yung specialty tools. So, these are the tools and softwares na specifically para sa isang specific niche. So, ang halimbawa ng mga specialty tools, for example, in a niche of bookkeeping is yung Xero and QuickBooks. All of those tools under these three categories is makakatulong sa ating mga VA, sa mga aspiring VAs, para makapag-perform efficiently with their clients' tasks. Kung gusto nyo pa ng mga ganito klaseng video, follow me for more. Salamat!